In today's video, I am going to teach you how to mark invoices paid in Stripe. Start by making sure you are already logged into your Stripe dashboard. Once you are inside the dashboard, look to the menu on the left side of the screen, find Billing, and expand that section to see the available billing tools. From there, click on Invoices to open the full list of invoices connected to your account. When the Invoices page loads, browse through the list and locate the invoice that you want to update. Click on that invoice to open its details page. On this screen, take a moment to review the important information shown for that invoice. Confirm the customer name, the invoice amount, the outstanding balance, and the current invoice status. This helps make sure you are updating the correct invoice before making any changes. After you have confirmed the invoice details, move to the More Actions menu. This is usually shown as a three-dot icon. Click that menu to open the list of additional options available for the invoice. In that list, select Mark as Paid. At this point, Stripe may ask you to review payment details before completing the action. If a prompt appears, carefully look over the information shown. Make sure everything is accurate and matches the payment you want to record. Once you are ready to continue, click Confirm to proceed. Stripe will then begin updating the invoice status. Give it a moment to process the change. After the update is complete, check the invoice status again on the invoice page. You should now see that the status has changed to Paid. This confirms that the invoice has been successfully marked as paid in your Stripe account. This process is useful when you have received payment outside of Stripe and need to manually update the invoice for accurate records. By following these steps, you can keep your billing information organized and make sure the invoice reflects the correct payment status. Just open the correct invoice, use the More Actions menu, choose Mark as Paid, confirm the details, and verify the final status once Stripe completes the update. Thank you for watching, and that is all there is to it.